Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi. This is Learn Well Smart All-in-One Textbook, Standard 2nd, Semester 2nd. GK, Lesson Number 1, Bird Fact File. Like animals, birds also have different features. You will learn amazing facts about these beautiful birds. Black-crowned night heron, commonly known as night heron. This bird is found in most parts of the world except in the coldest regions and Australia. It can dissolve bones of its prey in its body. Black-throated diver or Arctic loon. It is found in Eurasia and occasionally in western Alaska. It has silky gray head, black throat, black and white eater, and can stay underwater for a minute. Emperor penguin. The emperor penguin, the world's largest penguin, is found only in Antarctica. It is the tallest of all penguin species, reaching the height of 120 centimeter or 47 inches. They have 4 layers of feathers to keep themselves warm. Golden eagle. This bird is dark brown in color with light golden brown plumage on its head and neck. Golden eagles use their extremely powerful claws to catch their prey. They can fly very high. Golden eagle is the national symbol of Mexico.